Follow the trend lines, not the headlines. Bill Clinton. Which way is this thing going? Uptrend? Downtrend? Bullish? Bearish? Sideways? If you've ever stared at your chart wondering where the market is heading, only to guess wrong and watch your trade flip red, you're not alone. That constant second guessing, that anxious guessing game, it's exhausting. And worse, it's expensive. Every wrong move chips away at your confidence, your account, and your belief that you can do this. You want to ride the trend, not get run over by it. But every time you think you figured it out, the market does the exact opposite. And that can leave you frustrated, confused, and ready to throw in the towel. But what if I told you that confirming the trend doesn't have to be complicated? In fact, the tool you need is way simpler than you think. And in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. You learn the main confirmation that gives clarity, removes doubt, and helps you finally trade with confidence. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start winning, comment below. Like this video and subscribe to join a community that trades with purpose, clarity, and power. Let's lock in. Hey fam, I'm Dr. O, a trained psychotherapist turned full-time trader and the proud founder of the Trading Psychology for Reparations movement. I created this channel because I believe that the Black community has waited long enough for financial justice from outside systems. It's time we stop waiting and start trading, not just for profit, but for purpose. Not just for us, but for legacy. In my community, I teach traders, especially those of African descent, that your greatest trading weapon isn't from complicated formula or Wall Street software. It's your mindset. It's your emotional discipline. It's the psychology behind how you show up in life and in the market. And I help you strengthen that so you can grow your account and your confidence. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to finally understand trend confirmation. No more guessing, no more chasing. Just one clear, powerful signal that tells you when the trend is strong and when to ride it. So get ready to take notes and take back control of your trading journey. Let's get into it. And if you're ready to trade like the wealthy do, you're in the right place. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a powerful momentum indicator created by Gerald Appel in the late 1970s. It's designed to help traders identify trend direction, momentum strength, and potential reversals, all in one simple visual. The MACD works by comparing two exponential averages, typically the 12 and the 26 period EMAs, and then plotting a single line, usually the 9-period EMA of the MACD line, to generate actionable trade signals. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it suggests bullish momentum. When it crosses below, it signals potential bearish momentum. It's especially helpful in spotting early trend shifts and confirming entry and exit points, making it a go-to tool for both beginners and seasoned traders who want to ride the wave instead of fighting it. The MACD line is the foundation, the very core, of what makes the indicator so powerful. It's the result of subtracting the 26-period EMA from the 12-period EMA, giving you a real-time pulse on momentum. It's like a heartbeat monitor for your chart, showing you when momentum is growing or fading. And once you learn to read that rhythm, you stop guessing and start trading with clarity. For many new traders, this line looks like just another swiggle on a chart. But here's the transformational truth. This one line can keep you from entering bad trades driven by emotion. It measures acceleration, not just movement. So you know how fast the market is turning, not just that it's moving. That's a huge difference. It gives you the power to confirm momentum before you commit your money. Think of it this way. Most people wait to see results, but the MACD line shows you the energy behind the results. It's like watching the wind pick up before the storm hits. And as traders, we don't just want to be reactionary. We want to be strategic. The MACD line gives us the blueprint to do exactly that. So the next time you look at your chart, remember this line isn't just a line. It's a momentum mirror. It reflects the heartbeat of the market, and if you're bold enough to read it, you'll stop moving with fear and start moving with power. Now we'll discuss the signal line. The signal line is the MACD's silent partner, the calm voice of reason amid market noise. It's the 9-period EMA of the MACD line, and it plays a critical role in helping you recognize timing. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish entry cue. When it drops below, it's your warning to consider an exit or prepare for a shift. This crossing isn't just technical, it's psychological. It tells you when momentum is no longer a maybe, but a move. It's like the moment when your inner voice shifts from whispering to roaring. Go now. Learning to trust that crossover moment can completely transform your trading style from hesitant to intentional. Too often, traders exit too early or enter too late because they're ruled by fear or hype. But the signal line gives you a measured space to follow, so you don't chase candles. You follow your conviction. And following conviction, not chaos, is what separates gamblers from investors. Use this line as your decision filter. When emotions cloud your mind, let the MACD signal crossover become your compass. Because success in the markets isn't about luck. It's about listening to the right signals. The histogram is your trading truth teller. It visually displays the distance between the MACD line and the signal line, giving you a real-time image of the strength momentum. When the bars are growing, the trend is gaining power. When the bars are shrinking, momentum is weakening and a reversal may be coming. This tool speaks to the trader who's tired of being caught off guard. You know that feeling. You're in a trade, things are going well, and suddenly momentum fades. The histogram can warn you before that happens, not by predicting, but by showing. It helps you measure the emotional pulse of the market before the chaos hits your profit and loss. For the psychology-driven trader, the histogram is everything. It trains your eye to spot intensity shifts in real time. Instead of reacting to price movements after the fact, you're empowered to observe the energy behind the price and make grounded decisions. So the next time you see those bars climbing or fading, know this. You're not looking at art, you're looking at alignment. Align with momentum and you trade with confidence. Ignore it and you're back in the cycle of doubt and damage. And then there is the zero line, also known as the center line. The zero line is the border between bullish and bearish momentum. When the MACD crosses above it, it signals a potential uptrend with real strength. When it dips below, it signals a downtrend with confirmed weakness. This simple line draws a powerful psychological divide, telling you not just the direction, but the conviction of a move. Most new traders overlook the zero line because it looks too simple, but simplicity is where wisdom often hides. This line helps you avoid false hope and false fear because the market will always tempt you with both. But when the MACD line is on the right side of the zero, you can move with confidence. The beauty of this variable is that it confirms the shift that your gut often feels before your brain can articulate. It's the moment when your internal maybe becomes a yes. The zero line helps you stay out of trades with weak conviction and double down when strength is confirmed. Let this line become your emotional anchor, because in a sea of uncertainty, the zero line reminds you that clarity is possible, and it's built right into the chart if you know where to look. Now let's discuss convergence and divergence. Convergence and divergence aren't just technical terms. They're lessons in emotional alignment. Convergence happens when the MACD and price are moving in sync. Divergence is when the MACD goes one way and price another, a warning that something deeper is shifting. For the trader seeking truth beneath the surface, this is a spiritual game changer. Have you ever felt like a trade looked right, but something felt off? That's what divergence picks up on. It's the subconscious resistance of the market surfacing in a measurable way. And when you learn to spot divergence, you stop taking trades that seem fine and start focusing on trades that align with real energy. This teaches you a mindset shift from chasing confirmation to reading contradiction. You begin to see cracks in the facade before price collapses. It's not just a pattern, it's protection. So let convergence affirm you and let divergence alert you. In both cases, MACD is saying don't just follow, understand. Because when you learn to read contradiction in the market, you learn to recognize it in yourself. And that's when your trading becomes transformational. The MACD is a lagging indicator, which means it reacts to price, not predicts it. And that used to frustrate me. I wanted to know where the market was going before it moved. But then I realized something transformational. Wisdom is not always about being first. It's about being right. Traders often confuse fast with profitable, but the MACD shows us that confirmation beats anticipation. It may not catch the very bottom or top, but it positions you in the meat of the move, the sweet spot between risks and reward. And that's where wealth is built. This delay becomes your superpower. It protects you from emotional entries and false breakouts. It helps you wait for evidence before acting, and in trading as in life, patience with proof is more profitable than speed without uncertainty. Let the lag teach you that being last to jump in can sometimes mean being first to win consistently. Don't fear the delay. Embrace it as discernment. Finally, the MACD, like all indicators, has its blind spots, and sideways markets are one of them. When price is choppy, the MACD can throw off false signals that frustrate even experienced traders. This teaches us an essential truth. No tool is perfect. Discernment matters more than any indicator. But here's the transformational takeaway. Learning where your tools don't work is just as powerful as knowing where they do. When you understand MACD's weakness in sideways trends, you stop blaming the tool and start adopting your strategy. This is how you evolve into a trader who trades with purpose, not guesswork. This vulnerability pushes you to use confirmation strategies like pairing MACD with the RSI and ADX. You begin building your edge not on one indicator alone, but through a system of checks and balances. And that system protects your capital while expanding your confidence. So respect the MACD's limits and rise above them. Because in trading, knowing when not to enter is just as valuable as knowing when to strike. Master this, and you master the market.
So this is how we add the MACD to our charts. Okay, we're going to go to TradingView.com, www.tradingview.com. And in the search engine bar, you're going to type in SPY, ticker symbol SPY. This is the SPY chart, and what we're going to do is you're going to go to these candles, and it looks like a moving average on top of it, and we'll click there. And then we're going to literally tap in MACD, moving average convergence divergence indicator. And as you can see, it's if when you start it's going to have these colors or not. For my peace of mind, I like the MACD to be green. So you can see right here, my arrow, this is the green indicator, and then the signal line is white. And that's really all I've really done to change it. So the histogram that is bullish is obviously going to be green. That means that the market is expected to go up, and as you can see right here, it doesn't move too much right here, but it does show some increase. Remember, this has to be or we encourage this to be used with other indicators, but here is a very strong move right here. So it moves up 604.96, about $4 here, and it goes back down when the MACD crosses below the signal line. So it comes up first, and then as you can see, it goes back down. So yeah, that's how you use your MACD indicator. All right, thank you. Bye.
Let's be honest, trading can feel like a lonely battlefield. You show up with courage, study hard, but somehow the wins still feel out of reach. That's not because you're not smart or capable. It's because most trading systems are built without you in mind. That's why I created the Trading Psychology for Reparations program, to serve traders of African descent who are done being left out of generational wealth conversations and are ready to reclaim what's rightfully theirs, one chart, one trade, one mindset at a time. In our community, I provide something most traders pay hundreds for: daily key levels, free of charge. These are actionable insights designed to help you plan your trades, read market momentum, and take profits like the professionals do. But more than levels, I offer leadership, grounded in experience, mental resilience, and a deep belief that you deserve to win. You'll learn to align with price, silence the noise, and trade with the confidence that comes from knowing someone has your back. You've waited long enough for systems to change in your favor. Now it's time to stop waiting and start winning, because reparations aren't just a political policy, they're a personal decision. And in this space, we're not begging for justice. We're building our own economy, starting with the financial markets, one that honors your story, your struggle, and your strength. So if you're ready to trade with clarity, grow with community, and master the mindset that fuels consistent profits, I want to personally invite you to join us. The key levels are free, the support is real, and the transformation is just getting started. Click the link in the description to join the Trading Psychology for Reparations movement. Comment, like, and subscribe. And let's rise together. You've got this. Peace and blessings, Dr. O.